You won't believe how clean and free from sickness your immune system is going to look like if you drink this natural drink. I mean, it's 100% natural and you don't want to miss any part of it.
This ain't Texas. Ain't no hope.
I love being your love.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thanks so much for joining. Today I'm up with this natural drink. I did 3 different kinds of drink, but let's go ahead and come up with the first one. Okay, I didn't want this video to be too long, so I had to cut it up into different segments. So I'm gonna start with the natural drink, which is meant to cleanse your guts and also keep you away from flu this season. It's also going to help blood circulation into your body and keep you safe from any sickness. So fam, if you want to keep healthy or stay healthy during the season, keep watching. So here with me, I do have my celery and I do have my lemon. I also have my carrots here and I have my ginger as well. You can see how big this ginger is. It's going to carry us throughout the drinks. I also have my pineapple, which is really great for your skin, and I also have my turmeric. Guys, I didn't want this video to be so long because I actually came up with 3 different kinds of drink this day, and so I'm trying to upload one today. All right, so please just stay tuned. I also have my cucumbers. You can see them over there. So I have to go ahead and set my space. This is our juicer. If you do not have a juicer, you could get one as mine if you want your drink to be really turn out smooth. So I went ahead to actually peel my pineapples. The pineapples are really great for your skin. Every part of the pineapple is so essential and really great for your body. Last time I actually showed you how to come up with your own pineapple drink. So if you do not watch that video, please do go ahead and watch it. So I have to keep my pineapple peels aside just so I don't waste them because it's also essential during this period. I went ahead to actually put my juicer on the side, so that you could actually see what I'm doing. So I'm definitely gonna start with my pineapples, my ginger, and you will see what I'm about to make. So I went ahead and I came up with the ginger. In order for ginger juice to actually come up this way, you need a juicer. Please, you need a juicer. You could use your blender, but know that you're gonna sieve it at the end of the day, because I just wanted to avoid that process because it's sometimes very tedious. So I went ahead to blend my ginger, to juice up my ginger. It wasn't easy, like really stuck, but it went on so well and smooth. So you just have to do it the way I'm doing. So I went ahead to put everything in here. Take a look at the ginger juice flowing out just like a river tap. And also, guys, I went ahead to add my pineapples. Pineapples are really good for your skin during the season, for your immune system. It's also going to cleanse your guts. Guys, you need to actually include this right here. Pineapples are like my super fruits because it goes on with anything when it comes to being healthy. So I went ahead to keep putting my pineapples. I didn't actually want to juice up all of them because I want to eat some and keep some for my okra. So I'm not gonna put everything in here. We gotta keep some pineapples, girl. So you can see what I'm doing. Please follow the process and just trust that everything is gonna be all right. So I went ahead to add more ginger. The ginger wasn't enough for me, so I went ahead to add. And here is me with my turmeric. You need to add turmeric. Hey guys, listen up. This turmeric actually took 2 days to actually turn out to be like this. They were super dry and I had to soak it up for 2 good days. So so you need it. If you're in a place like where I am right now, where you can't find fresh turmeric, then you need to buy the dry ones and then you soak it up overnight. So turmeric is really hard as well, and but then we need it because it's really gonna cleanse our guts, gonna cleanse our immune system, and it's gonna fight antioxidants deep in your skin. So you need it for cough during this flu season. Don't miss that out. So I went ahead to keep mixing it because turmeric really stains a lot, so you need to incorporate other fruits in there. I had to mix and put other fruits in there just to make sure that everything was all right and it wasn't gonna stain my mixer for good, because you know how turmeric is, right? And then I went ahead to add more ginger. Guys, this drink turned out to be really, really hard. Yeah, I wanted it to be like that so that it burns off every cough that is hanging up anywhere in my guts or into my system. So I went ahead to add my lemon. Yeah, lemon is a citric fruit, so you could either add lemon or you add oranges. That's okay for you. Okay, so I went ahead to add lemon in here and making sure everything goes on well. So trust me, this drink is just what you need for this season. Your kids can have that. And now our drink is set. Hey, this drink is set and you don't want to miss any part of it. I can't believe how amazing this will taste, because why not? So I had to go ahead and put it out into this bottle. First you stir, because it's been a mixtures upon mixtures. So I went ahead to stir and then went along to put it into my little bottles. So it turned out to be 2 bottles of more. Oh my goodness. And then it spread out. Can you imagine? Oh my God. So this is really, really natural. I love the process, and I love drinking this. Imagine you taking this every day. Oh my goodness. The taste is amazing. Hey guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And I'll go ahead to upload the other drinks or juice that I actually made on the same day. All right, I just want you guys to see and feel and love this one, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so I went ahead to just put it in here. Take a look. This is super beautiful, natural, and it's just everything you and your family needs this season. So guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and families, and try it. Okay guys, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, enjoy. Bye.